Hello again. Let us discuss problem number 2.13 of chapter 2 Units and Measurement. A physical quantity P is related to four observables A, B, C and D as follows. P is given by A cube B square divided by under root of C multiplied by D. The percentage errors of measurement in A, B, C and D are 1, 3, 4 and 2% respectively. What is the percentage error in the quantity P if the value of P calculated using the above relation turns out to be 3.763? To what value should you round off the result? Okay, so here first of all let us find the percentage error in P. So from the given expression, if we want to find the percentage error of P, it can be described as relative error multiplied by 100, which is equivalent to 3 times, that is power times percentage error of A plus 2 times percentage error of B plus, that is I should write percentage here instead of 100, 1 by 2 times percentage error of C plus 1 time percentage error of D. Now here for all these terms we have values. Let us substitute those values. Let us describe as delta P by P percentage. 3% of delta A percentage error is 1 plus 2 times B is error with 3%. C has error of 4% plus D has error of 2%. Let us write in common for all these terms as percentage. Delta P by P percentage turns out to be 10%, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, let us say 13%. Okay, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13% is the answer. Now this is the first part of the question solved. The second part of the question, it is said that by solving this equation the value that was obtained for P was 3.763. Now how much decimal should we round off this quantity such that the percentage error is 13%. So here if we see properly, then delta P by P, if its numerical value, that is relative error's numerical value, can be obtained as 13%, can be divided by 100 to obtain 0.13. From percentage error I have obtained relative error. Now to obtain the two significant figures on the right side of the equation, the left side of the equation should have two significant figures in divisions. As we don't know about delta P, we cannot say anything about delta P, but we are certain of P, that is it has 3.763. Now if we round off this P up to two decimals, not decimals, up to two significant figures, then the result will also contain two significant figures. So let us round off P. P can be round off up to two significant figures to obtain result in two significant figure. Point 13 has two significant figures, so we have to round off P up to two significant figures. So if we round off up to two significant figures, this 3 cannot turn this 6 into 7, but this 6 can turn this 7 into 8. So we will obtain the value of P is equal to 3.8. I hope you are clear about this question.